Now looking at the problem, we are to expand. So what we do is this bracket will multiply this. So let's begin. 3x into 5x minus 3y plus 2y into 5x minus 3y. So 3x multiply this bracket will give us 15x squared minus 9xy. This multiply this will now give us plus 10xy. This multiply this will give us minus 6y squared. So what do we have next? Now we know that this is 15x. There is no other power related to x squared. Now minus 9xy plus 10xy will give us plus xy minus 6y squared. So at this point, the coefficient of xy is 1, which is our final answer because we are asked to look for the coefficient of xy. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow my page, Mr. Hallelujah Maths Class.